Have you ever contemplated the importance of your libido in maintaining both your physical and psychological health? It's quite the intriguing subject deserving of our attention today. Libido, commonly known as sexual desire, plays a pivotal role in human life. It's not just about procreation or pleasure, but also about bonding, stress reduction, and overall health. But what happens when this desire dwindles or disappears completely? A decrease in libido can manifest itself in various ways. You might find yourself less interested in sexual activity or feel that your desire isn't as strong as it used to be. Some may struggle with sexual thoughts or fantasies, while others may feel indifferent or even repulsed by them. It's important to remember that everyone's libido is different, and there's no normal level of sexual desire. This brings us to the question, what causes this decline in libido? The answer lies in a complex interplay of physical and psychological factors. Hormonal changes, certain medications, and underlying medical conditions can all contribute to a decreased libido. On the psychological front, stress, depression, anxiety, and relationship issues can also dampen desire. The effects of a decreased libido extend beyond the bedroom. It can strain relationships, cause distress, lower self-esteem, and even lead to depression. In some cases, it might also be a sign of an undiagnosed medical condition. So, how can one address this issue? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. It requires a holistic approach that combines lifestyle changes, therapy, and sometimes medical treatment. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management can all help boost your libido. Cognitive behavioral therapy or couples counseling can address psychological causes, while hormone therapy or medication can treat physical causes. Prevention and management of decreased libido involve maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular checkups to catch any potential medical issues early, open communication about sexual desires with your partner, and seeking professional help when needed. It's important to understand that there's no shame in experiencing changes in your libido and seeking help for it. In conclusion, libido is a crucial aspect of human life that can be influenced by a myriad of factors. A decrease in sexual desire can have wide-ranging effects on your life and relationships. However, with the right approach, it's possible to manage and even overcome these challenges. Remember, your libido doesn't define you or your worth. It's just one aspect of your overall health and well-being.
I believe this video's content was helpful to you, so please kindly hit the like button, then share with your friends to benefit from this knowledge. Also do well to subscribe in order to get further health-related information from this channel. Thank you.